Okay, we can use multi-operating system on a single PC or a desktop computer, uh, also on our laptop, but we can remove one of our Windows operating system as we need. So to do this, we can press Windows key from keyboard plus R to get this run Windows displayed. So type here Microsoft configuration config and say click OK or enter from keyboard. You can get this new Windows system configuration. Click on boot option, and I have now Windows 7 and Windows 10 from my PC. I have been using two operating system, but I did not need to using this Windows 10 or Windows 7. Let me delete Windows 7 from my PC. To do this, you can press click on Windows that you need to delete. For example, I need to delete Windows 7 and click on delete, then apply, then OK. Exit without restart, restart, exit without restart. You can say one of them